It's time. Everybody, Ben and Ob here. We are at our house. We're not at Universal quite yet. We are going to travel down there. So first, we need to pack, and you're going to do that with us. And then we're going to go to sleep. We're going to wake up really early, and you're going to take a drive and travel with Fudge Factor and our buddy Big John. So, time to get to packing? Join us. Step 1 of packing for Universal. If you've grown up with a military person, you know you have to lay your stuff out. I can't say that side of things is the best layout ever, but we have some of our clothes laid out here. We're going to go through, and yes, we do pick out outfits. We do try to make sure we look nice, somewhat matching. Every so often, I do ask Ben to wear the Thing 1, Thing 2 shirts with me. And then we got to make sure Ben's camera equipment's all prepared, so I'm sure he'll show you that. Just filming you.
What are you doing? Just filming, Kate.
Filming you because I can. What's your favorite thing to pack?
My favorite thing to do is to play Tetris in the bag. Can we get it all to fit? So obviously I'm the camera nerd of the family. Camera guy. But I always like making sure that I lay all my stuff out, make sure I got everything. I've got my ND filters, all my batteries are charged, I got my different lenses, new toy. But then I also have some of my other things like a GoPro and all the batteries. You gotta make sure all your batteries are charged, and you gotta make sure you have everything. Because Lord knows you don't want to get down to Universal and you're missing something fun to play with. Clearly 2 different types of packing styles going on currently. I just throw everything in a bag. I don't really care if it matches. I'm not going to lay it out as if it matches at all. Shorts, t-shirt, socks, underwear. Done.
Yet, who forgets to pack enough socks?
It was one time.
Also, are you guys loving our bedroom right now?
Really, I think the best way to pack is just to go to the laundry pile, pick it up out of the laundry pile, and put it in the packed pile. Can you ever have enough lanyards? I'm just kind of curious. How many do you guys have? We've got too many to really think about.
This might be one of the most important parts of the packing process, and that is snacks. We have our road trip snacks. But then we also have just snacks for while we're at the park, while we're in our hotel room, in between things. Not sponsored by NitroFlex, but also massive amounts of caffeine. This is a pre-workout. Couple things, like we packed Rice Krispies, Sriracha Chicken Epic Bars. What are your snakes called again?
Twin snakes.
Twin snakes, a gummy. We've got Wild Berry Pop-Tarts, more protein bars. These are Quest bars in here, 2 of our favorite flavors. Liquid IVs.
Hydrate or die.
Protein powder. Party-sized bag of munchies. If these aren't a road trip snack, what are you even doing? And a new one for us, Scooby Snacks. Very universally themed. I'm a fan. I think we're set. Packing's hard work.
But we're about to where we are saying we either have it or we don't, I think. I don't know. I think it's time to get some shut-eye.
What time is it right now? It's 7:44. We picked John up at 3 a.m., which means we'll probably wake up.
2.
I'm going to shower. So 1:30. Because we have about a 30-minute drive to his house. So.
By the magic of editing, we will time travel. Classic problem. I've been ready to go for 10 minutes. We're still waiting on Ob.
It's not time yet.
Still waiting on one.
I'm almost ready.
Do you think we'll make it down there for EPA?
If I drive fast enough.
She's not going to drive fast enough.
I might.
No chance.
Oh! Wait before you throw that in. Damn it. Wait.
John's secure. Only about 5 hours to go.
Yeah, right. It's 5.5.
Yeah, you're right. It's more like 6. The next major decision that we have to make is we make our way down there. We got about 2 hours left. Where are we getting breakfast?
We already know we're going to Chick-fil-A. All right, time for the last leg. Let's do it.
Do it.
I gotta get an OG Jurassic Park shirt. I'm trying to think of what else I gotta get.
As we all stop talking. Put the barrel drinks in the squeezes.
Yeah, we're reliving those barrel drinks. I remember some barrel drinks from summertime as a kid.
90s Kids Unite. The real question is, did you ever put Doritos on your sandwiches growing up? And if so, what kind of sandwich was the best one to put Doritos on?
John, look, it's a volcano.
Exit 74B, Universal. Well, you helped us pack, you watched us travel, saw us eat Chick-fil-A. We didn't make it in time for EPA, but we're here. So I'd say that's a pretty successful trip. There's only one thing left to do. It's time to go explore the park.
Got something out of this video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stick around for more Universal content. Thanks for watching.
Bye!